Welcome to the Shilpa Shetty channel. This is the art of loving your mom. Where's my mom?
Ta-da!
Happy Mother's Day!
Thank you! And today our little master chef Viaan is here. I'm in shock, I can't believe he said all that. But Mother's Day is around the corner and Viaan loves lollies. And me too. So Viaan is here to make these lollies for me, and we are going to make 2 sets of fruit lollies. The first one we are making is mango, fresh orange and mint, and the other one contains lychee, mixed fruit juice and fresh pomegranate seeds. Pomegranates are an excellent source of antioxidants. Mint, as you know, benefits digestion, and lychees, mangoes and oranges are very rich sources of vitamin C. और ये सब हम बनाएंगे बी नेचुरल नॉट फ्रॉम कॉन्सेंट्रेट जूसेस के साथ, जो बनते हैं सिर्फ फ्रूट के पल्प से, कोई कॉन्सेंट्रेट से नहीं. Nice. So this is the concoction for our first lolly. We're using B Natural Lychee and B Natural Mixed Fruit Juice. Okay. And Viaan, can you just do what you always do with the mint? Yeah, very good. Just around 5 pieces. 5 leaves. Is that a lot?
Yeah.
Okay.
More than 5.
It's definitely more than 5. Yeah, but the more mint, the better. So Viaan, now can you help me with the molds? What are you supposed to do first? You can use it. So we add the pomegranate seeds at the base, and we add this before my chef finishes all my ingredients. We do the same again. That's it. Viaan, can you shut it for me? Yeah. Thank you. And now for the second concoction, very simple. We use the B Natural Mango Juice.
Can I pour it in?
Yes. Be careful. Thank you.
Done, done, done.
That's it. 1/4 spoon of cinnamon.
Let me put it.
Thank you. Again, we do the same. Viaan? Very few. Yeah, that's too much. Yeah. Thank you. You have something to say?
The more mint leaves you put, the more better it becomes.
Oh, thank you for the tip. Lovely. So now for this, we just add our orange segments at the base, and we add the mango. Mango, mint and orange always works like magic. Cover it. Thank you. And now these go into the freezer. Let's go and check on our lollies.
Yes.
Come on then.
Yummy.
Then you take one. I take one. Whoa. Shall I open yours? Yeah, take mine. Wait for me! Cheers!
Yes.
तो गाइस, कैसी लगी आपको वियान की मदर्स डे की एक कूल रेसिपीज? Isn't it amazing? तो इस मदर्स डे बनाइए अपनी फैमिली के लिए ये रिफ्रेशिंग लॉलीज बी नेचुरल नॉट फ्रॉम कॉन्सेंट्रेट जूसेस के साथ. एंड यस, डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. तब तक के लिए स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो.